LCISD Mathematics Grade 8, Unit 7 and 8. Number 1. Quadrilateral ABCD was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create quadrilateral ABCD. Which rule best represents the dilation that was applied to quadrilateral ABCD to create quadrilateral ABCD? There's your answer choices. Number 2, STU, triangle STU is rotated 270 degrees counterclockwise about the origin to create triangle STU. If point U is AB, which of the following best represents point U? Number 3, quadrilateral ABCD is shown below here. Which of the following could be the coordinates of the dilation of quadrilateral ABCD with scale factor of 4/3 and the origin as the center of dilation? Number 4, a rectangle is located on a coordinate plane. If the ordered pair TU represents a vertex of this rectangle, which algebraic representation describes the effect of translating the rectangle 8 units up and 3 units left? Number 5, rectangle ABCD was dilated to form rectangle ABCD. What is the relationship between the area of rectangle ABCD and rectangle ABCD? Number 6, which of the following tables correctly organizes transformations into those that always preserve congruence and those that may or may not preserve congruence? Transformations, always preserves congruence, may or may not preserve congruence. Reflection, rotation, translation, dilation. Dilation, translation, reflection, rotation. H, dilation, reflection, rotation, translation. And then rotation, translation, dilation, reflection. Number 7, rectangle ABCD shown below is transformed into rectangle ABCD. Rectangle ABCD's coordinates are A, -2, -4, B, 2, -4, C, 2, -2, and D, -2, -2. Which transformation was used to change the rectangle ABCD into rectangle ABCD? Number A is translation, B is reflection across the y-axis, C is 90-degree rotation, D is reflection across the x-axis. Number 8, triangle STU is graphed on the coordinate plane shown below. If triangle STU is rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin, which of the following statements would be true about the new triangle STU? Number 9, triangle ABCD is dilated to form triangle ABC. On the graph below, which of the following statements is true? Number 10, the graphic shows quadrilateral ABCD in its dilation, quadrilateral ABCD, with the origin as the center of dilation. The scale factor is 3/4. Which of the following is true about both quadrilaterals? Let's know if they're congruent or not. Number 11, a triangle is placed in quadrant 1. Which of the following transformations would create a new triangle that is not congruent to its original? A, translate the triangle 4 units left and 2 units down. Reflect the triangle across the x-axis. C, dilate the triangle with a scale factor of 3. D, rotate the triangle 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. Number 12, Tawny's designed a playground in the shape of a rectangle. You have the playground length and width. If Tawny increases the length and width of the playground by a scale factor of 2, what will be the resulting effect of the perimeter on the new playground? F, the perimeter of the new playground will be half the perimeter of the original. G, the perimeter of the new playground will be 1/4 of the perimeter of the original. H, the perimeter of the new playground will be twice the perimeter of the original. And J, the perimeter of the new playground will be 4 times the perimeter of the original. 13. Rectangle STUV is dilated to create rectangle STUV. Which scale factor would be used so rectangle STUV and rectangle STUV are congruent? Triangle PQR has vertices P 2, 4, Q 8, 8, and R 8, 4. Triangle PQR is created as a dilation of triangle PQR using the scale factor of 0.25 with its origin as the center of the dilation. 14. What are the vertices of PQR? And 15. What algebraic expression explains the effect on the dilation on angle PQR to triangle PQR? Number 16. Which of the following tables can be generated from the equation y equals 2x plus 1? And there's your choice of tables. 17. Stephen is renting several movies for one day. Ruby Container, an automated DVD rental kiosk, is having a special on rentals. The table below shows the total amount he will be charged for the movies based on the number of movies he rents. This is the number of movies, is M. Total amount charged is C. Which equation best represents C, the number of dollars Stephen should be charged for renting M movies? Number 18. The scatter plot below represents the height and weights of a group of people. So here's the weight in pounds, and here's inches tall. Based on the trend line here, what would be the weight of a person who is 72 inches tall? And there's your about weights. 19. 3 athletes each plotted their energy levels throughout the course of a day on graphs as shown below. So you have athlete A, B, and C, and you have your energy level, and you have their time. Which conclusion best supports the data plotted by the athletes? A, the athletes' energy levels appear to have a positive linear association and increase throughout the day. B, the athletes' energy levels appear to have a negative linear association and decrease throughout the day. C, the athletes' energy levels appear to have no association. D, the athletes' energy levels appear to have a nonlinear association and increase then decrease during the day. Number 20. The graph below displays the growth of a plant in millimeters. So you have the height in millimeters and the week. Which statement best describes the rate of a plant's growth in millimeters per week? F, the height of the plant increases 750 millimeters per week. The height increases 125, 250, and then it increases 500 millimeters per week, are your answer choices. 21. The scatter plot below shows the cost of new homes in a small Texas town over the last 7 years. New homes built in small town Texas. This is the cost in thousands, and this is the year. Based on this scatter plot, what would be a good prediction for the cost of a new home built in 2008 in small town Texas? And then there's your choices.